M0FXB. So you want your ALLSTAR node to boot up straight into Hubnet or a different node number. So these are the changes that you can make. So the first thing you'll need to do is to talk to your node, is make sure you're using WinSCP, and there's tutorials on how to use this. So I'll just log into mine. So you'll need the IP address of your node, which when you turn it on and off, it will say that to you. So then just go, when you open up WinSCP, so I'll just do mine as I go. Here it is here. So we'll close it and then we'll reopen it. Let that save. And so that's okay, forget that. So let's just go like we're opening it up from scratch. There it is, WinSCP. So it will click, when it opens this login window, go to new site. Up here, put in your IP address. Hopefully it hasn't changed on the boot up. Soon find out. And it's always nearly always 222 here. And then the password that you've already put into putty. You'll need to know this, otherwise you can't log in. Now if it does log in, you can go here. And it seems to have logged in. Double click the yellow file. Then go down to the one here that says ETC. Double click. Then scroll down to the one that says asterisk. Just above all the white files, there it is. Double click that. Then again, scroll down to the one that says rptconf. So I've already made the changes, so you're going to get this come up. Scroll down sort of just about 40% of the way. And what you want to do, and you need to be very careful on this, make sure you've got a backup. And I actually advise you don't do it if you don't have any experience with this. I'm using my experimental node that I've got, so I can make changes, but I don't actually touch the one that Peter's got. So scroll down, and that is, you'll get to eventually, let's have a look here, we'll get in there. Right, see where it says tail message? So what you need to do is copy, underneath where it says archive type GSM, copy this section here, so it starts startup macro equals, and yours will probably just say *7. So you need to firstly delete the 2 colons that are in front of startup macro on both lines, delete them, and then copy exactly what I've done here. Now don't touch everything below tail message, don't touch. Everything above start macro, don't touch. So you can see it here, and I'll literally copy it now, and I'll paste it into the description of this video. When you've done that, I know this works, I just tested it, save it. Up here, once you've made a change, it allows you to, to save. Watch, if I put a dot here, which I won't add, look, it's now allowing me to save this file, but I won't save it, so I'll just delete it. And I'll do the save anyway, because that's what it wants me to do. And then when you close the window, see this window here, close it again. It says here all your workplace will be saved. Click OK. And when your node reboots, it will reboot straight to the node number that was in that copy and paste that I have done, which is Hubnet. And so it doesn't mean you have to log in every time you use it. So 7.3, all the best.